Alright guys, it's a new week and we got our ECU back from FEMTO. Thank you GTP for sending our ECU out. I'm at Burger right now. We got the MHD JB4 back end flash on there. We just did our first pull and we're on our second one right now. I'll show all the numbers as it goes, but so far it's pretty spicy.
Yeah, boy.
Tell me that shit didn't sound sick. 721, 687. Dude, why are these cars such a cheat code?
That's what they make them when they have, you know?
Wow. Nice. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's time to get rid of the B58 and jump on that S58 game. So what do you think about the S58 compared to the B58?
He needs some milk.
Shits on it, I think. I would honestly, proof is in the pudding.
No, 100%.
Motherfucking thing is I got stock turbos pushing the same amount as something I put $25,000 into my B58, and it's almost making the same power.
Right? I think it's time to sell M-Light and get a real M car. Sucks to say, but...
I know.
Cut the show.
What's going on there, Jacob?
I'm trying to come to the rescue here and fix the dyno because this car broke the dyno just like it did last time.
Yes.
So we're gonna sit here and just put that in there.
Okay. Slide her on out, buddy.
The goal is to get this off because that thing it's gotta come off somehow.
We gotta be able to extract the bolts.
See, my ass would probably just get like an impact gun or something
And break the other ones.
and then break the other ones, and then we could just all go home.
Then we're pretty much fucked.
Slowly.
Turn at a time, turn at a time. We stopped at 726, 679 torque. You can see the power dropped here, the dyno broke. Again, if you look in here, all the dowel pins broke from the spline. And then this is the actual shaft. So all those dowel pins broke. So tomorrow, Mr. Pyam is supposed to fix it. Again.
For the fifth
For the
time.
more than that.
The next day.
Alright guys, so we're doing our last official run. We're done here, the tuning part of it. Enjoy it.
But wait, there's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
I love that. So consistent. Alright guys, I got the graph in front of me. We're done with Brandon's car. Thank you Terry and Pyam over at Burger Tuning. As you can see, we made 470, 465 in a stock form. Prior to this, just JB4 and port injection, we were able to do 674, 651 torque. But now that it's unlocked, we did 730 and 713 foot-pounds of torque. And this is with just mild bolt-ons. So here's your numbers. That's crazy. The S58 is the GOAT, that's all I gotta say. But this project's wrapped up. I'm gonna let Brandon know his car's ready to pick up, and maybe I'll take him for a ride to see his reaction.
The next morning.
All right, the G70 project is pretty much a wrap. I got Daniel and Nick coming tomorrow. Today I buttoned up as much as I can. Tomorrow we're gonna drain the oil, put coolant in it, and then we'll get our first fire up.
The next day.
It is official first start on the G70 project. Under her own power.
God damn, it looks
It does. Hold on. Alright guys, well you saw the G70 is done and it's going home. It's been a long project, like 3 months to get to this point right now where it's actually driving. So now that that project's done, I gotta move on to the Evo, but I literally have to clean the shop. It's a freaking mess in here. Hope you guys enjoyed the G70 project. Hoping to get more stuff like that. I think it's really cool to show my work and what I'm capable of. So I'm gonna start cleaning up and then we'll move on to the next project. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a blast to do and edit myself. Next week I got the Evo X, which I pretty much went through the whole fabrication process start to finish. And then I have a couple other little things I have to do. I do notice 92% of you are not subscribed. You're watching the videos, but you're not subscribed. Do me a favor, subscribe and then hit the bell button. And as always, I'll see you next week.